இருக்க இடத்தை கொடுத்தா மடம்னா அந்த வீட பூரா எடுத்து விடுவான்னு சொல்றான் இல்லையா. Swamiji says the meaning is different.
Anatma at all. Atmanaha anyanna kinchana. Therefore, anatma is called anuvadaha. Anuvadaha சொன்னா temporary acceptance. Shruti never accepts anatma really. இதெல்லாம் மாண்டூக்கியத்தில் ஒரே விசேஷங்கள். So therefore, upayaha sovataaraya nasti bheda kathanchana. இதெல்லாம் உபாயம். It is only a trick just to accept the shishya's contention and later negate it. And therefore, Jnani has raised his vision to the level of Shruti. So Shruti was in the first floor and later it came to the ground floor. And thereafterward the Shruti has to take the student to the same vision. And once we also have the same vision as the Shruti, what happens to him? Swatmanam sarvam ikshate. So he sees everything as himself. Yastu sarvani bhutani atmaiva bhut vijanataha. Yastu sarvani bhutani atmaiva abhut. Aprama paakalam. So swatmanam sarvam ikshate. Like what? Yadvati ghadadini mridaha. Mridaha panchami. Anyat or anyani edutukanam. So yada vidwan ghatadini mridaha anyani na vikshate. Just as a wise man, what wise man? Clay wise man. Clay wise man, clay irukara wise man nalla. So the one who has got sarvatra clay buddhi, sarvatra clay darshanam, the one who has got mridvijnani, mridaha anyat ghatadi naiva ikshate, evam atmanaha anyat na ikshate. Continuing. Jivan muktastu tadvidvan purvopadhi gunamstyadet satchidananda rupatvat bhaved bhramara kitavat. So Jivan Muktaha. So the very same Jnani is now known by the name Jivan Muktaha. Why he is called Jivan Muktaha? Because he is Jivan Muktaha. So Jivan means he is still alive. Because of what reason? Prarabdha vashat. Whose prarabdham? Shishya's prarabdham. Remember, the idea is, from the Guru's drishti, there is no prarabdham at all. That is why Jnani is compared to the Lord, because he doesn't have, otherwise the Guru Shishya parampara itself will not come. Therefore it is a very beautiful thing, which is also unique in Advaita. In Vishishtadvaita there cannot be Jivan Mukta. In Dvaita there cannot be Jivan Mukta. In all those systems a person is liberated only after dropping the body, after going to Vaikuntha. So here Jivan means he is still Jivan. at the same time muktaha. Muktaha means free from the bonds of anatma. Because he has got mithyatva buddhi in anatma. Therefore it doesn't disturb him. Just as my reflection in the mirror does not disturb me, just as my shadow does not disturb me, the whole world is my shadow. Somewhere it is said also in Bhagavatam, it is said world is compared to the shadow of the Lord or Brahman. So Jivan Muktaha, who Tad Vidwan. So Tad Brahma Vidwan. So what does he do? Purva Upadhi Gunam Styajed. Upadhi here means Stula, Sukshma, Karana, Sharirani. And Gunaha means their properties. Stula Shariram's properties in the form of Stulatvam, Krishatvam, Vruddhatvam, Brahmanatvam, Purushatvam, Stritvam, all of them. Similarly, Sukshma Sharira, Ragadveshadi, Karana Sharira, Ajnanam, all these Upadhi Gunam, Gunani, or Piricha Gunani Tyajet Pirikanam. Gunam Tyajet irukku, அது பிரிச்சா குணானு द्वितीय बहुवचனம் त्यजेत. And here Shankaracharya uses the word purva upadhi because they are upadhi how long? Only as long as their attributes are taken by me, they are all upadhi. Once I have done Atma Anatma Viveka, thereafterwards I will not take their attributes as my attribute. I see fatness as Sharira Dharma, Ragadvesha as Sharira Dharma. Therefore, they no more become Upadhi for me. So they are Upadhi only when I take their attributes as mine. Now that I have shed the Upadhi Dharmas. Because remember, taking the Upadhi Dharma is notional. Like the red crystal, there is no red crystal at all. Previously, when I said the red crystal, crystal never became red. The Visheshanam was only my mental confusion. And therefore, giving up the attributes also is what? Crystal need not give up the attribute. I only have to drop the notion. Therefore, removal of attributes is nothing but dropping the notion that I am attributed. And therefore, Purva Upadhi Gunan Tyajet. He no more takes himself to be attributed. Therefore, if you say I am limited, you are limited. If you say you are not limited, if you know you are limitless, you are limitless. Therefore, the whole change is not external. The change is purely a correction in the thought. Adhanartha, Purva Upadhi Gunam Styajet Katham Vivekena. And once he gives up the Upadhi's attributes, what happens to him? Satchidananda Rupatvat. Since his original nature is Satchidananda, till now he had superimposed what? Asat, Achit, Anananda. Asatina, mortality. Achit means what? Jadatvam. Ananandaha means what? Dukkham. All these things I had superimposed. Then asatoma sadgamaya, tamasoma chitgamaya, jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amritangamaya. Once I drop these three things, I attain my original nature. What is that? Satchidananda rupatvat bhavet. Kim bhavet? Brahma bhavet. That is understood. Satchidananda rupatvat kim bhavet? Satchidanando bhavet. And Satchidananda kaha? Brahma. Therefore Brahma bhavet. How? Brahmara Kitavat. Now here what he wants to say is, this dropping of Anatma Abhimana and owning up of Atma Swarupa is a little bit of a gradual process. Knowing is not a gradual process. But dropping the Abhimanam, which is a Viparita Bhavana, that only gradually goes. Because Abhimanam has been there for Anadi Avidya Vasanaya. Every Amne. So Anadi Avidya Vasanaya, the Abhimanam in the body has been for millions of Janmas, not even years. And therefore, Dehabhimana going and Atmabhimana owning up coming, it takes some time. Because as they say, habits die hard. And for this purpose, Shankaracharya gives the example of a Brahmara Kita. This is known as Brahmara Kitan Nyaya, which is widely used in scripture. The Brahmara Kitan Nyaya is like this. It seems a full-fledged Brahmaram. Brahmaram means what? A wasp, a bee, or any such stinging insects. Let us take it as the wasp. What it does, it seems, it takes the worm and it puts the worm inside its nest. What is that? Adukku nest illa. Adukku per enna solluvom? Koodukku enna English la? Hive. Okay, whatever it is. It puts there. And this particular worm does not have any other darshanam, it seems. Because that kudu has got only one opening. And in that opening the wasp sits, it seems, not allowing the worm to do anything. And the worm kanna thorandudana enna kaanumna, it sees only the wasp. And therefore, constantly seeing the wasp, the worm has got only one darshanam, one buddhi. What is that? Wasp buddhi, wasp, adhe dhyanam andirukkom. And suppose it doses off. Enna sting kudukuma. It gives one sting, so that don't turn here or there, again look at here only. And thus this worm constantly thinking of the wasp, sooner or later itself becomes a wasp. This is the concept of Brahmara Kitan Nyaya. Okay, the worm may not be any other worm. The worm may be one of the stage. They have got the 4 stage, ella school la padichu marandirukom. Okay. So therefore the pupa and the caterpillar ellama solluvala illaya. So therefore that may be, but it has the potentiality to become the flying wasp. As a worm, it has got what existence? A wormy existence, samsari. And it was not free like a bird, it could not fly anywhere. Similarly, now we are all what? Vermi samsari. Pulupol tudittan. Padalaliya. Na correct irukke. And then bird means what? Always bird ingiratha enna add pandrom nama. He is a free bird. Muktaha. Therefore, yatha Bhramara Kitaha, by satata dhyanena Bhramaraha bhavet, evam jivaha api satata Brahma nididhyasanena Brahma nishtho bhavet. That nishtha is indicated by Bhramara Kita Nyaya. So, Brahma dhyanena Brahma nishtho bhavet. Yatha Bhramara dhyanena Bhramaro bhavet. What? Kitaha. So, yatha Kitaha Bhramara dhyanena Bhramaro bhavet. Evam jivaha Brahma dhyanena Brahma bhavet sholalana. Brahma nishtho bhavet. Continuing. तीर्त्वा मोहार्णवम् हत्वा रागद्वेषादिराक्षसान् योगी शान्तिसमायुक्तः आत्मा रामो विराजते. So here, how the jiva attains moksha is beautifully illustrated through the well-known Ramayana story. And in this story, Rama is originally Paramatma, and when the Sita asked for that golden deer, and Rama went after the golden deer, that going after the golden deer is supposed to be the fall of Rama from Paramatma Avastha to Jivatma Avastha. Golden deer stands for the Anatma Abhimanam, because gold is what? Material, matter. So thus when Rama the Paramatma goes to the matter, it loses what? Sita the Shanti. Shanti Videha Suta Sahachari. Kelati mama hridaye Ramaha. Patla varde. Shanti is the Sita. So that moksha or the Swarupa Shanti, Sita is lost. Once the Rama the Paramatma comes down to Jivatma level, getting lost in golden deer. And now Shanti is where? So far away, separated by what? Moha Arnavam, Moha Maharnava Taraka Kari. So there is a very big Arnavam Samudram called Moha. And therefore, what is the first job? Moha Maharnavam has to be Tirtva. Tirtva means having crossed. So Rama crossed the Arnava through the Setu. Similarly, the Jivatma has to cross the Moha Arnava through Viveka. Viveka Setu. setum stara dustaran. Chonaralyo, Samaganam. So setum stara dustaran. So this dustara moha maharnavam was crossed by Viveka Setu. And thereafterwards what? Ragadveshadi rakshasan hitva. Hatva. Hatva means having killed. Rakshasas. So many Rakshasas and Rakshasis also came. Lankini Arambiche. So therefore all kinds of Rakshasas are in the form of Raga, Dvesha, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha. All of them was killed. And then what? Sita Sametaha. Similarly, the Jivatma should get associated with what? Shanti Sametaha. So, Yogi. Yogi means the seeker who does all this job. Becomes united with the Shanti. And united with which Shanti? The Shanti which was originally belonging to Jivatma himself. So Sita originally belonged to Rama. Because of Rama's own foolishness, Sita was lost. And when that foolishness was destroyed, Sita was got back. Similarly, every Jiva is Atma Ramaha. And once he crosses this moha and destroys Ragadvesha, he gets associated with Shanti. Okay. And for this purpose, a guru is necessary. Remember, Rama also got united with Sita only with the help of a guru. Who is the guru? Anjaneyaha is the one who unites these two together. Similarly, in the place of Anjaneya is Guru who every guru conducts wedding. Guru's job is conducting a wedding. What wedding? Vivaha between Jivatma and Shanti Moksha. And a wedding which will never have a divorce. Because Moksha once got will never be lost. And that is why there is a sloka also. Shantif patni kshama putraha shadete mama bandhavaha. Beginning enna arkna nyamarga? Satyam mata pita jnanam dharmo bhrata daya sakha. So Satyam mata pita putraha daya Satyam pita jnanam. Because jnanam alone gives birth to this personality. This personality na personality-less personality. That is Turiyam. So Satyam mata pita jnanam dharmo bhrata daya sakha. Adukalla explanation povala. We don't have time. Dharmo bhrata daya sakha. The next the important. Shantihi patni. Then Kshama putraha. Shadete mama bandhavaha. These are the real bandhus. All the other ones are bandhus only. Badhanati iti bandhavaha. These bandhus are liberating bandhus. Atma Ramaha virajate. One more we will see. Bahya nitya sukha saktim. Hitvatma sukha nirvritaha. Ghatasthadeepavat swasthaha. Swantareva prakashate. So in the previous shloka, Atma Ramo Virajate, I didn't say, you should have understood. Atma Ramaha, Atma Eva Ramaha. Because Rama is called Ramaha because Ramante Sarve Asmin iti Ramaha. Atma is called Rama because everyone revels in Atma alone. So every Jnani is called Atma Ramaha. Every Ajnani is called Anatma Ramaha. Adha Chapad Raman Sunana. Anatma Ramaha. Okay. Virajate. Virajate means he shines. Okay. That very same thing is clarified here. Atma Ramaha word is explained here in this shloka. That is, he gives up all Anatma Rati. So, Bahya Anitya Sukha Sakti means Anatma Ratihi. Revelry in Anatma he gives up. And he always revels in Atma. Gita Shlokamala Nyabhamaranam. Bahya Sparsheshva Saktatma Vindatyatmani Yat Sukham Yastvatma Ratireva Syat Atma Triptascha Manavaha Atmanyevacha Santushtaha Tasya Karyam Na Vidyate. Therefore the essence is that he no more revels in Anatma, therefore he no more depends upon Anatma, therefore their arrival and departure never makes any difference for him. Since Atma is ever available, his Ananda also is all the time. Things are there, he is happy. Things are not there, he is happy. The exact meaning we will see in the next class. Hari Om. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.